If you're selling AI chatbots in 2025, you might as well go to eBay, search for secondhand bargains and start flipping them, because you'll probably end up making way more money than selling a chatbot to a builder that barely knows how to use his iPhone. Now, a lot has changed in the last few years with AI, and today I'll be setting the record straight, giving you my honest, uncut opinion on the AI agency model as a whole, which, by the way, I can back up with a ton of experience because it's what we've been doing for the last 3 years. As well as that, I'm also going to show you the best way to sell AI to businesses in 2025, showing you exactly how we do it. So with that said, I don't want you to get this twisted. We sell AI to our clients. I'm not saying selling AI is dumb, but the thing that separates the good from the bad, or should I say successful from the broke, is one person sells what their clients think they want and the other sells what they actually need. Now, over the last 2 years, there's been a massive opportunity to help businesses onboard into AI and start using these solutions. And 2 years ago, it was an easy way to make a few grand here or there with some really easy automations and chatbots. But now there's 1,000,001 AI tools out there that cost $2.50 a month to use. So you're not only competing against other agencies, you now got to convince Bob the bricklayer why spending $4.5K for your solution is smarter than him signing up to bricklayer.ai for the same outcome. You see, if all you provide are these simple one-time, one-problem solving solutions, you are as good as dead in the water. Forget your make agency or your clay-agency model, which is another new AI make money model I see thrown around a lot these days, which is pretty funny because I can literally go to Upwork and pay a guy in India less than the clay subscription to go and scrape the data manually for me. So, by the way, you're competing with VAs now, which is a great model, obviously. But my point is, the answer isn't in these tiny solutions, despite what everyone's pushing down your throat. I see so many ads of people saying, you can go and sell these simple AI solutions to a local business and they're going to pay you thousands for it. That's not the case anymore. And I've been saying this and doing it live in front of everyone on this channel for the last 2 years now. And some of you have realized that and actually started implementing what we're doing. And that's implementing complete systems, voice AI, AI agents, automations. It's all a distraction for something much bigger. The amount of times I've been on calls with businesses doing under $500,000 a year, and they're telling me how they need this voice AI system to call all of their leads. And I'm like, sorry, mate, why? You generate 20 leads a month. Or they think they need a chatbot on their website to take over customer support. I'm like, isn't that Sharon's job, mate? Shouldn't she be doing that? The reality is they need more business. They need more clients. And just like most business owners, they're looking at AI as the answer to their unrelated problems. And yeah, sure, you can make some cash selling to these type of people. But what happens when they then realize that actually nothing's changed? Guess who they're coming back to? I'm telling you now, that chargeback notification, it's very different after a big weekend blowing your $500 chatbot Stripe payout. So like I said, the answer is systems. Rather than being at the mercy of an OpenAI update or make up in their ad spend, making you redundant with a click of a button, get smart. Become a master at actually dissecting a specific type of business, understanding what problems they're going through and where they want to be. For a good 6 months, I got on sales calls listening to people bark at me, telling me they needed voice agents, blah, blah, blah. And they needed AI agents to do this and that. And it's all rubbish. Most of them just needed to fire some shit team members and do some more marketing. And you're fortunate enough that if you're watching these videos, you're smart enough to think bigger and start simplifying. You can look at these businesses with a fresh perspective and tell them what they need rather than just doing what they want. Let me give you an example of this. We work with 2 types of clients. Businesses that are doing 7 to 8 figures that are looking to optimize, cut costs, and build more efficiencies in their sales process or their sales systems. With these clients, we first audit their business head to toe, and then we build a proposal around them. But we specifically only help them within the sales and the marketing process. We don't touch their recruitment or their branding, nothing else. We stay in our lane and we bring in multiple solutions that we then built before for other clients to help them achieve the goals that we've laid out together. This means that we don't need to go and create something custom with every single client we land. Or if we do, we usually have a template that we've already built to start from. And with these clients, we actually reverse engineer their business and come in like a team that actually just turns the business on its head, overhauling the broken, expensive, and inefficient systems, replacing them with our systems. And this is what allows us to charge $7.5K to $10K per month per client. And if I tried selling this same thing to Bob the bricklayer, who's generating 20 leads a month, he'd literally shit a brick. It's not going to happen. So you need to make sure that you're working with people with pain that's actually costing them enough money for your pricing to make sense. And people that are actually going to see the benefits of using AI. You need to stop charging like $1,000 for a chatbot because it's just so stupid. It doesn't make any sense. Now, on the other hand, because we're so good at what we do, if I do say so myself, we do also help agencies, coaches, and consultants do exactly the same. But instead of just offering one solution, again, we're stepping into these businesses, helping them build an offer where they can actually start charging higher ticket. We then build them our unorthodox AI sales system that automates their entire lead to buyer process. And then we install our client acquisition system that then fill their calendar with 5 to 10 qualified appointments every single day. First link in the description. But you can see with that offer, we're covering the entire gap. We're not just stepping in and solving one problem. We're actually helping them fix every single moving part. We know that you watching this video right now, you want more leads and you want more qualified appointments on your calendar and you want more clients. Those are the only things you want right now. So we don't have to step in and try to sell you chatbots that are going to help you with your customer service. You don't give a shit. You just want to get more clients. And that's what we focus on. And that's what you got to do with every single business that you're trying to work with. You got to step in with a complete system that you know is going to take them to the results that they want to achieve, not just hope that they want help on their customer support or they want a voice AI agent to answer their calls. That is like the impossible way to build an agency. And look, hopefully you can see my point. Our offer, because we do so much, gives us a moat. There's no one that can actually compete with us. We have the proof. We have the experience. We have the team. And there's not a single AI tool out there that can cover what we do. And that is exactly what you want. And look, not everyone's going to care about AI and not everyone's going to need it. So you need to pick an avatar of client that actually does. So if you're going to continue selling AI in 2025, which by the way is a great idea, it's only going to get more and more difficult, but at the same time interesting. You need to become an expert in someone else's business, not just 5% of one pain point with some basic automation. Being an expert at Make, Zapier, GPTs, Clay doesn't build you a 7-figure business. It might take you to 10, 20K per month, but anyone that's telling you they're making more with those types of businesses is probably just selling you a school community where they're teaching you how to do it. And that's actually where they're making their money. So you honestly need to become the AI systems wizard in a specific niche and solve a massive clunky problem with your toolbox of AI tools and automations. And with that said, I'm going to leave you with one final quote. It's not about how big your Make automation is, it's about how you use it. That was good. I quite like that one. Anyway, good luck. See you later.